What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we've got another massive tech unboxing. This is number 22, and as you guys can see, we've got a ton of packages here. So you know the deal. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks, because we got a lot to open up. And we got Ari. Shout out to Ari.
Shout out to me. Follow me on Instagram at UrAvgGF.
Wow. Do it though. All right, guys, so you know the deal. Boom, pick the first one. Let's go.
Well, there was one that had my name on it. The one that
This one has your name on it. This one has your name on it.
Really?
There's two with your name.
Let's do the red one.
This one, just open. Is this? You know what this is, huh?
Yes, I do.
Oh, look at that.
It's so cute.
It's an iPhone 10 case or 10s?
10s, yeah.
So what is it?
It's just a case that someone I found on Twitter made for Black History Month.
Oh, black.
Yeah.
Okay, got some black girl magic over here. Well, we'll have the maker of this case linked down below in the description.
Go follow her. She has like such funny tweets.
Okay, so Ari picked her first one. I am going to pick next. Let's go for this guy from FedEx. Oh, I know what this is. AirPods 2. So we finally have them in-house, guys. The brand new AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case. Now, for those of you who don't know the difference between this one and the first one, well, obviously, wireless charging case is one of them. Not to mention the inclusion of the H1 chip that gives you longer talk time. Dang, I dropped my first thing. You also have the ability to say, "Hey Siri," without tapping on the actual AirPod. There's some design changes here too. So over here, it used to be a more stainless steel. I think it was like stainless steel. This is like a brushed aluminum, so small detail right there. And there's also an LED indicator in the front of the case. So when you're wirelessly charging it, you can see when it's actually charging with the orange light, or if it's done with the green light. And for those of you wondering if it looks any different, it looks exactly the same. So people will definitely recognize when you're wearing them AirPods. All right, next up, go for this guy. I know what this is too. Let's see if I can. All right, y'all, so I was recently hit with some nostalgia, and you guys can probably see what's in here. I recently picked up a Game Boy Color on eBay. Harry's looking at me like, why? Well, I got a teal Game Boy Color. It's still in the box. The box looks like it's in pretty good condition. Now let's see what the actual system looks like. Sight. Looks used, but that's okay. It's used. I expected this. This isn't brand new. And man, this thing is so light. Oh, no.
Oh my God.
The slightest touch just broke the battery case. It really sucks. I just got it. Anyway, I picked up this teal Game Boy Color and a couple of games. Pokemon Silver, the original. Now, here's a funny thing about old Game Boy Color games or Game Boy games, the cartridges. There are batteries inside of these that keeps the game save alive. And after years and years, the battery dies out, you lose your save file. But this has a refurbished battery inside of it, so I should be able to play this and save my game with no problem. And over here, we also have Pokemon Crystal. So there was Silver, Gold, Crystal. These two are actually the only ones I've been missing. We have like all of the other ones, right? Finally finished the collection for all of the Game Boy games. So I'm really hype about this. And we got a big box over here. Let's jump into this one. Who's this from? Oh, Bandai. Not late this time. Ooh, repeat figurine. Okay. So I don't know if you guys saw the last Massive Tech unboxing where I showed Tales of Vesperia. So that is a Tales game that I really enjoyed. And this is one of the characters. This is the actual figure for it. So y'all know me, I'm all about my figures. And oh, this is like in legit packaging. Hold up. Okay, this is actually really nice. All right, Bandai, I see you. Thanks for sending it over. And for those of you guys who haven't played a Tales game yet, Vesperia is definitely a good place to start. And the definitive edition is like on all the new consoles, so definitely check it out. Should we go for this one? This one's on the side. Let's go for it. Okay. Yeah, I did pick this up. This is from Philips Hue. So this is nothing surprising, but it's different. It's a different design than we've typically seen. Oh, but these are a lot smaller than I expected. So it's gonna be interesting to see how I use it, but I'll figure it out. All right, this is from the P.O. Box. What do we have here? Aluminum wireless charging dock. Okay, so this is it. This is the wireless charging dock from Galvanox. It's a pretty interesting design. It looks like it definitely will protect whatever's on here because of this rubber padding. And it's even got like this LED soft glow indicator so you guys can kind of see what the status is of the charge. So that's kind of cool. Dope, thanks Galvanox. All right, we got something here from Xbox. Always showing love. Let's see what they got this time. Oh, let's go. Malcolm, you see this?
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, Malcolm is a huge One Piece fan. So we got One Piece World Seeker, the Pirate King edition. Oh, got a copy of the game right here, y'all. Do we have like figures? This is obviously like the collector's edition, but I'm curious what's inside of here. All right, we got the Luffy figure over here. The detail on this is nuts. Yo, that is clean, check that out.
Oh my God, I love Luffy.
Okay, so they sent over something else in this box too. So we got Luffy's devil fruit over here. Go ahead, Malcolm, eat it. What's this? Is this a map?
Oh, wow.
And we got a map. Hey, this is crazy. So this is awesome. Microsoft, Xbox, thank you so much for sending this. You guys know us over here. And for those of y'all who love One Piece and you're interested in picking this up, it's already out. It dropped March 15th, so you guys can hit the links down below if you're interested. But go get your hands on it. Let's see what we've got in this black box over here. Black boxes, who sends black boxes?
Incipio?
I bet you Incipio. Incipio. So we got a bunch of cases from Incipio for the new Galaxy S10. So they've got lighter ones, they've got ones for more protection. If you guys are interested in Incipio, I'll have them linked down below. These are actually really nice. All right, y'all, now it's time to go for a really big box that we've got over here. I know what's inside of here. Ain't no guessing. Another box in a box. Oh, are you serious? There's another box. Let's see. Well, it's a boosted, oh, okay. It's a boosted Ford Stealth, y'all. But the way this is packaged is not ideal. Whew. Is this heavier? This definitely feels different than the Generation 1 boosted board. It does feel heavier. This is absolutely heavier. Yeah, this battery is huge. And I think there's like a 5th mode. I think the first generation had 4 modes. This one has a 5th mode that goes even faster. It goes up to 24. What happened, Harry?
You don't need a skateboard that goes 24 miles an hour.
What says who?
No car that goes
Listen.
like,
Light speed.
Listen, don't bring up the Tesla here, all right? Harry's hating me right now. And you know what? Hold on, guys. I didn't really do a good job of letting those of you who have never heard of boosted board know exactly what this is. So this is an electric skateboard and it uses a remote. So we've got this remote right here and all you do is hit this trigger button and this dial to go forward or reverse and brake. I personally don't know how to ride a regular skateboard, but this guy, I feel like I'm a master at, and I absolutely love it. The best way to get around if you're not trying to use a car. All right, Ari, what's next?
that one.
This? Okay. Oh, this is yours. So listen, guys, we're working on a little video. I won't say what it is just yet, but Ari's gonna be in it, and it involves her playing on a PC. So she did her research and found that she wanted to use a one-handed keyboard.
Yeah, like why do you have all these keys, you know? Like just have the keys that matter and that's it.
And that's her logic.
Yeah.
So this is what she's gonna be using to make her life a little bit easier to, you know, walk around, get around, do her thing. Feels nice and clicky. You still get that mechanical keyboard feel.
Listen, I don't even know.
Well, she's gonna be using this in an upcoming video with her playing on a PC, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. Oh, we got another one from Xbox. So we got the Sport Red, and we got a charging stand. A red charging stand. Oh, this matches it. This goes exactly for it. Oh, this is nice. I'm dressed for the occasion too. That's what's up. And it has the grips in the back, so this feels really comfortable. This is a really nice controller. Check out the metallic accents on the D-pad and around the design of the controller. And when you sit it on top of this guy to charge it up, come on, that is clean. So if you like red, they got this Sport Red edition and it looks dope. Yo, it really doesn't feel like a massive tech unboxing unless we get a controller in there. All right, another one from the P.O. box. So these are cases for the iPhone. So these are all for the XS. Oh, okay, check this out, guys. So this thing has a built-in handle, so you can throw this under and boom. So you'd never drop your iPhone, it doesn't need an extra attachment. This is kind of cool. I like this. They're decent quality though. And they've got this cool little kickstand, so if you're watching something, you can just prop your phone up. I think does it click out? Oh no. This reminds me of the Nintendo Switch. Another one from the P.O. box. So these are accessory holders for like different gadgets and whatnot, so like chargers. I'm always down for these. The quality is on point. It's got a lot of straps and compartments.
Compartments that you go in.
Listen, compartments are my thing. And these,
Like jean material?
yeah, all right, this is like some kind of jegging material. It looks like jeans, but look at that.
Oh, it's like softer.
This is a really, really nice travel pouch. So I am definitely gonna be using this. This looks really good. All right, we got another big box over here. Now you can pretty easily tell what these are based on the pictures right on the box.
I definitely thought that was like an iPad.
You thought this was an,
Not iPad, but like a tablet.
oh, you thought it was a tablet?
Yeah.
Really? Bookshelf speakers, baby. Now I've never, gloss teal. Oh, Kanto knows what they're doing. Okay. All right, give the marketing team a raise. They're sending the right stuff to the right people. All right, huge shout out to Kanto for sending these out. I can't wait to try them out. So this thing also comes with all of the cables you need for it, obviously, and it even comes with a remote. And this is like a legitimate remote too. So you can control your audio and everything right from here. So we have the stands for the speakers as well. So with desktop speakers like these, you want a desktop stand so that you can place the speaker right on top and have it angled towards you. So that is really cool. And if you maybe have these on a stand instead of having them on your desktop, you can do it the other way as well and have them firing down towards you. So you can kind of pick the way you want to use it, but I am so glad that they sent all of this over. Oh, this I purchased a little while ago. Now this is basically an air duster. So if you guys have used any of those little canisters to blow air, you know those things run out in a heartbeat. You always gotta buy new ones. I figured it'd be nice to just invest in one of these little machines that basically do the same thing, but you never have to go out and buy another one of those little canisters again. So this is something that we needed in this office badly. Oh, Nomad, how did we miss this? Oh, nice. A rugged case for the iPhone XS Max, but this has the moment lens attachment. So I can finally attach a moment lens to my iPhone. I've been dying for this. Very, very good. And this is leather. I think it's their Harween leather. Yeah. And you guys can see how it ages over time. But this is cool. I'm very glad to have this. Thank you, Nomad. And what else have we got? Oh, they have their new titanium bands for the Apple Watch. Let's go. So Apple had the titanium bands for the Apple Watch when the very first one was released. Cost $1 jillion. But finally we have some options from a reputable accessory brand. So this is really good. This looks awesome. Oh, this is absolutely gonna take out this Milanese loop. And it includes this piece so you can take out links if you need to. And it comes with a pouch, so if you want to store it away, maybe you're not using it at the moment, kind of throw it in there. Boom. All right, thanks Nomad. Okay, can we not ignore this beautiful box here? This is from the good folks over at Gundam Planet. I had to get my hands on some more Gundams. But you guys know, whenever I am picking up Gundams, head on over to Gundam Planet. And let me show you guys what I got this time around. Woo! Got that high resolution Wing Zero Verka? Are you kidding me? This thing looks beautiful. Ari, don't give me that face. Malcolm, tell me this doesn't look good. Malcolm,
It looks nice.
Malcolm likes it too. Ooh, metal build. Yeah, this is different, right, Ari? This is the Crossbone Gundam metal build. So this is the highest of quality for Gundams. And man, this thing looks dope. And, Ari, we got another Astray. This is the Turn Red Astray over here. But if you guys are interested in jumping into Gunpla and Gundam and you want to know where you can buy them, just head on over to Gundam Planet. You guys see me go there almost all the time in the real day in the life videos. I love it there. But yeah, I'll have them linked down below in the description. You get rare stuff like this. Ah, so good. Stop looking at me like that. What do we have over here? This is also from the P.O. box. Who's this from? UrAvgGF? So this is definitely a phone. Oh, that teardrop notch, I see it already. This is a is this a case? Yeah, this is a case. This has to be a red phone. Okay. 5,150 milliamp hours.
Wow.
Why can't just like regular phones have that? 5,000, like I'll rock a thicker phone like this. Okay guys, so we had to actually cut real quick because our camera was getting too hot. And I figured I'd use the air blower. And this thing has an insane amount of power. Check this out. It is very powerful, so you definitely might wanna put on a nozzle or something before you turn it on. Expect a lot of juice from this. But yeah, back to the UrAvgGF. This is a very, very nice looking phone. I love the material here. It's like, what would you say, like a satin kind of feel to it? It's also got that teardrop notch over here. You know, trying to rock the latest designs with phones these days. And in the back of the box, you guys can see all of the specs. So if you're curious about what's powering this guy, you can see it right there. Okay, and in the box, you also get a power cable and a power adapter. All right, one more box before we get to this gigantic box over here on the right. Oh, there's some USB cables. I remember picking this up. So these right here are just some regular lightning cables. I think this is for that charging dock that I picked up. So we'll be able to charge a bunch of devices there. I got some small cables to go with it. This right here is a mini keyboard. Now on Amazon, they always state that you can, use this to type things like, with a computer or whatever, but they're mainly used for televisions. So if you want to type something on your TV, you can use this as like a remote. You can control what you're watching with play and pause. You can skip, control the volume. It even has a little trackpad over here. So if you're using this with a computer, you kind of have everything you need. And of course you have a full-blown keyboard at the bottom. I'm curious, let me know what you guys think of this. I'm gonna be testing it too. Oh, and here's another charging dock that I picked up. Kind of like what I was talking about before with these little cables to charge things up. So this right here is a 5-port charging hub. So you've got 5 USB ports over here and one of them is Quick Charge 3.0. And it's got an interesting look, but you can just sit this thing right on your desk. When you need to charge something, you just plug it in right here. And the last thing, you've seen it all video, we have a Corsair case for a new PC. I'm thinking about building another one. I want to get maybe like 2 under my belt, but we do want to get a new PC in the studio. So I picked this guy up. It looks like a really good case. And let me show you guys what I'm working with. So check this out, guys. So this guy is from Corsair, and this looks dope. And what's nice is that it has like RGB lights in the front, so if you wanna, get your RGB on, you can. And it's also got this tempered glass on the side, so of course you can see everything going on. And this looks like a pretty simple case, so that's kind of what I was going for. A simple but good looking case, has the little RGB if I wanna turn that on, but I like this. But we'll see what we do with this case in a future video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this massive tech unboxing. We got a lot of stuff from a ton of different people. So huge shout out to all of the companies who sent something over. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you see anything here that you want to see a future video on, leave a comment down below. But till the next one, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace.